Here's the outer bands hitting us from Hurricane Idalia. This is the beginning of the severe weather. So let's see how it goes. Seems kind of intense. I'm hoping that this storm doesn't hook to the right. As you can see by my neighbor's roof, we're still recovering from Hurricane Ian around here. So yeah, we really don't need this storm hooking to the right. Excuse me. And as you can tell, we're having a hurricane party over here. But yeah, let's see what happens. Hopefully this doesn't get too bad. Stay safe out there.